In this video, I'm going to talk about something called as a business area within your organization. Now, in Power Platform Admin View app, like if you don't know how to navigate, you can navigate to the Center of Excellence core components, and then under apps, you can navigate to Power Platform Admin View. Once you're in this app, you will see an area called as Power Platform. Now, if I click here, I go to admin. Now, as you see here, the environment business areas Brisbane and Sydney. Now, what I can do, I can add one more area. Okay, let me call this as say Melbourne area. Okay, and I can put some cost code. This is some reference information for you to calculate the cost within your region. Okay, I'll just save this. So now I have three different environment business areas. Now, where these parameters are used within the Center of Excellence Starter Kit. Okay, let's go into one app called as Admin Environment Request. Okay, now this app is basically allowing someone like an admin to approve or reject the environment creation request. Now here, this is done by a maker. So there's another app called as Maker Environment Request. Now maker can submit a new request to for creation of an environment. Okay. Now, once an ad maker creates an environment, there are some parameters which are asked for. Now, one of the parameter is a business area. Now, it is coming from this particular section. Okay, business area. So as you know, like as I mentioned to you, the one which we have configured over here, this will populate in maker environment request. Okay, while creating an environment. Now when admin environment request app, once you receive the request, admin can edit the details, and again admin will find those particular business areas listed, and I can save that business area. Now, these are the two apps to where which the business areas are used. Apart from that, even within Power Platform Admin View, if you go into environments, here, if you go into say any of the environment, there also you will be able to see the business area. Now here, if I look for the business area, I can see all the three different business area which is listed. So I can select the business area and then I can save the information. So these are the three different places whereby you can navigate to find the business areas for a specific environment. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.